In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Studio Ghibli-style image and convert it into a video using Google Gemini AI. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through this creative process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Google Gemini and press enter. You'll see a list of search results, and what you'll want to do is click on the official Google Gemini website link. This will take you directly to the Google Gemini platform where we'll be doing all the fun stuff today. Once you're on the Google Gemini page, look for the option that says Create Image. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the section where you can get started with image creation. Now, you'll see a plus sign icon on this page. Give it a click, which will allow you to upload an image from your device. Feel free to choose any image that you'd like to transform into a Studio Ghibli masterpiece. After your image is uploaded, the next step is where the magic begins. You'll need to create a prompt for the AI. In the text box provided, type out, "Generate this image in Studio Ghibli style." This prompt instructs the AI to apply those unique, beloved Ghibli aesthetics to your image. Once you're happy with your prompt, go ahead and click Submit to let the AI work its wonders. With your Studio Ghibli style image ready, it's time to move on to the video creation part. Locate the newly generated image and copy it. Now, back on the Google Gemini platform's interface, look for the option that says New Chat. Click on it to start a new session. Here, there's an option to Create Video. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can work on transforming your image into a dynamic video. Now paste your Studio Ghibli-style image into the provided area. You'll need to make another prompt here. This time, type something creative like, "Make the character in the image happily dancing with dynamic movement." This will instruct the AI to bring animations to your character, giving it life and motion as if it just stepped out of an animated feature. Once your prompt is set, do a final review and hit Submit. Sit back for a moment as Google Gemini AI processes your request and generates a charming video based on your inputs. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a Studio Ghibli-style image and turned it into an animated video. It's a simple yet magical way to engage with creative technology and breathe life into static images. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities with your future projects, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!